Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you a 1950s recipe for Melba sauce, which is a sweet dessert sauce which we've used here in a 1950s recipe for a banana split. We found this recipe in our copy of Good Housekeeping's Cookery Compendium of 1959, and all you'll need to make it is 4 tablespoonfuls of redcurrant jelly, 1/4 pint of raspberry puree, 85 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoonfuls of arrowroot or cornflour, and 1 tablespoonful of cold water. So as you'd imagine, this is very quick and simple to make. Just set a pan over a low heat and add in the jelly, sugar and raspberry puree. Mix these together until they're fully combined and bring this to the boil. Next, blend the arrowroot or cornflour with your cold water, and we're going to add this to the sauce to thicken it up. This is the second time we've made this sauce, and the first time we used cornflour, but this time we're using arrowroot powder, and personally we found the arrowroot powder to work a lot better. It really thickened the sauce up. When we used the cornflour, we needed to triple, maybe even quadruple the amount of cornflour to get it to thicken, so if you can get hold of some arrowroot, definitely do so for this recipe. And then continue cooking until the sauce becomes thick and clear, stirring all the time with a wooden spoon. Once it's done, pour into a serving jug. You can also strain it first before pouring in. We didn't this time round. And cool completely before using. And here we're using it on our 1950s recipe for a banana split, and if you have a sweet tooth, this is the sauce for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing us recreate more antique recipes. You can also find full instructions for this recipe as well as many more on our website, linked in the description box below.